We're expecting to see more eyes than normal on today's Federal Reserve as it announced its decision on interest rates. CNN's Maribel Aber joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Good morning to you, Maribel. And first of all, sounds like this decision could hint at the next moves as far as the nation's economy goes.
It could be, Chesley. So Fed Chair Jerome Powell will give the latest decision on interest rates later today. And it comes on the heels of a tension-filled visit by President Trump to the Federal Reserve's renovation site just days ago, where the two men had a very public disagreement over cost overruns. Most analysts expect the key rate to be held steady again. It's currently between 4.25 and 4.5%. However, this time, two Fed governors involved in the rate decision are a potential no vote on keeping the rate locked. And if that happens, it will be the first time multiple governors have dissented since 1993, Chesley.
All right. Two major railroads are exploring a deal that could reshape the nation's freight network, and that includes Atlanta-based Norfolk Southern.
That's right. So Union Pacific and Norfolk Southern unveiled a $72 billion merger plan Tuesday. The coupling would create America's first transcontinental freight railroad. Union Pacific serves the western U.S., while Norfolk Southern covers the eastern parts of the country. The once longtime Virginia-based Norfolk Southern moved its operational headquarters over there to Atlanta in 2018. The merger could force the other two major freight railroads, Burlington Northern Santa Fe and CSX, to partner up to stay competitive. And the deal needs approval by the antitrust regulators to move forward. But if approved, Chesley, the deal has potential to sort of reshape U.S. freight logistics and trigger new scrutiny from regulators and shippers. Think airline mergers.
Yeah, we'll wait to see that. All right, the White House tariff deal, deadline is on Friday, and we're hearing no deal between U.S. and China.
Okay, U.S.-China trade talks ended Tuesday in Stockholm. No deal. Failure to reach a final agreement means ultra-high tariffs on both sides could return starting August 12th. Now, for now, there's a pause on the massive levies initially imposed in May. China dropped their 145% down to 10 on U.S. goods, while the U.S. went from 145% to 30 on theirs. The Treasury Secretary signaled that a pause extension is likely, but President Trump will ultimately make that call. So, Chesley, no deal means more uncertainty for the stock market, and so we got to keep watching.
Yeah, we'll keep watching it. All right. Sticking with tariffs, sounds like even our laundry and our bathroom breaks could cost us more money.
Yeah, I mean, tariffs may have you paying more for toilet paper soon. Chesley, Procter & Gamble, maker of several household staples like Charmin TP and Tide detergent, is planning a price hike on a quarter of all of its goods next month. The company's Q2 earnings Tuesday showed a $1 billion loss in revenue for the period. P&G also announced in June it would slash about 6% of its workforce over the next 2 years and eliminate some products altogether in certain markets. So the company joins a long list of others that are increasing prices, citing often erratic U.S. trade policy. So we're talking the likes of Nike, Walmart, Best Buy, Ford, and Subaru have all said they too will have to charge for more for their products. Chesley, remember when we couldn't find TP and we would have paid more? And in most cases, when we found it, we actually did.
Absolutely. There were some folks that I knew was selling it on the side. I had to go get mine on the side, you know? Oh, my goodness.
Profit hustle.
Yes, indeed.
Chesley.
Maribel, thanks so much. We'll see you again tomorrow.